Hi guys, welcome to the multi-award winning Emerald House of Cars. We're a totally unique family run business on a mission to be the best car dealership in the UK. Our commitment is to give you guys the best buying experience you've ever received, whether you plan on purchasing completely online using our free next day delivery service with 7-day money back guarantee, or you're coming to the showroom to meet the team. We've made everything as easy and as transparent as possible so that you've got full confidence in choosing Emerald for your next car. A little later in the video, we'll show you how our vehicles are prepared before sale in our on-site RAC approved service centre. But for now, sit back, relax and enjoy the following video.
Hello guys, my name's Greg. Welcome to Emerald House of Cars. We're on our second pitch today where I'm going to give you a walk round of our new in stock Kia Niro. Now the Niro is of course Kia's hybrid technology vehicle. It's a smaller city hatchback, but it's a little bit bigger, so it's more like a small crossover SUV maybe. It's very similar to the size of a BMW X1. Now what the Niro offers is great economy, great styling, and what the Korean brands do is they pack their cars full of technology to ensure it's great value for money against its German competitors. Now to start off with, you can see on here you've got that gorgeous deep pearlescent white. It may look solid to you there, but trust me, there's a real nice yellow golden hue to this, which comes from the metallic flake hidden within the paintwork. Moving down, you've got what I call the 4x4 pack. You can see you've got the plastic bumper system and protector system on the rub strips all the way around the vehicle, giving it a real nice rugged terrain look. Moving down, have of course got your 18-inch diamond cut rotor alloys. They are chrome and titanium silver. Moving round, you've got venting, which gives it a bit of a sporty look. You've of course got your headlights here, which are nice sweeping headlights around from the front wing onto the front bumper. Front parking sensors, front fog lights. You've also got your daytime running lights on there, and you can see you've got a black diffuser which goes lovely against a contrast chrome and pearl white. And on the grille, as it's an EV, you know they have to be a little bit futuristic and concepty. That is what you see on your grille with your bright work. Moving around, you can see you've got electric folding and adjustable mirrors, which if you open the car they obviously unlock. Body coloured, and you've got the gloss black pack on this, so you can see that is surrounded by gloss black, along with a chrome bright work on the top section of the windows, along with a satin aluminium roof rail. You've got chrome on your door handles, tinted privacy glass, satin B pillars as well. And then you come around, you can see on the spoiler that is finished in gloss black also. You've got a rear wiper with the gloss black surround, and you can also see rear LED lights which give it a real nice different vibe, nice different. You can see you've got your Niro badging, your hybrid badging, no visible exhaust as you don't need to see them on a hybrid, and you can see rear parking sensors along with the grey and titanium grey diffuser. Now lifting the boot up, you can see not only have you got your cover, but you've got a tremendous amount of space here inside in terms of luggage capacity and storage, and you've also got little bits under here as well as your owner's manual. Now what you also have is the JBL premium audio system, which is a real nice different option, and you can see you've got one speaker just there in the boot. Now moving around, you can see your fuel filler cap is of course on the passenger side, and you can also see presentation, I don't lie and neither does my camera, very well maintained, very well presented, and very well looked after by its previous owner. Now internally, the Kia Niro is just as much of a delight on the eyes as it is on the exterior. You can see heading inside, it's luxurious, it's premium. You've got that gorgeous leather seating, you've got the perforated centres, you've got the soft outer section. It's really smart. Now what you can also see in here is if you drop that down, you have got a dual cup holder and armrest, and you've got loads and loads of leg room for rear occupants. And inside, as part of the JBL speaker pack, you can see you've got that there, and you've got the leather with white stitching and contrasting piano gloss black and chrome. And then we get into the cockpit. Who said Korean cars look cheap, look tacky, and weren't value for money? Not me, not today. You can see gorgeous seating here, heated. Again, you can see on there white contrast stitching, perforated centre, soft touch leather on the bolsters, no rips, no stains, no tears. Electrically adjustable. Your can also see you've got your electronic number support, Niro on your door inlay. You've got rubber pedals, foot brake for your handbrake, piano gloss black chrome, electrically adjustable and folding mirrors, you can see it just here. You've also got deadlock for your windows, central locking, automatic of course when you one touch on your driver and passenger window, and you've got the white contrast stitching against the leather, along with the JBL audio system and the bottle holder in the door card. Then you move inside. You can see here you've got a 12-volt battery reset, you've got traction control, lane assist, instrument cluster lighting, headlight range control, fuel cap release, and of course in there you've got your OBD, not to be confused with ODB out of the Wu-Tang Clan. Now, inside you can see it's very easy to turn on. Foot on the brake, let it initialise, turn the key the whole way, and believe it or not, that is now on. Yep, super quiet, super silent, the way that the EV world works, and it's really nice and comforting, and it brings a total different dimension to having an EV or a hybrid, because it's just so easy and so nice and relaxed to drive. Now on here you can see you've got a gorgeous light up digital display, you've got your charge, your eco and your power. You can see here you've got battery voltage life, you've also here of course got your fuel life, and you can see here it works both ways. You've got your parking gear, so of course if I change that down you'll see the gear changes into different options all the way across. You've got your eco mode, you've got your DAB, and of course you can change your different options on your system, of course using the right hand side of your steering wheel. You've got engine temperature, you can change your tyre display, you can see your service isn't due for 350 days. Driving assist, you can click on here, lane keep assist, driver attention, coasting guide. You've also got your different door options just here. You've got lights, you've got sound as well, you can change your park assist. You've also got your convenience features such as wireless charging, and on here you've got other features, of course fuel economy, tyre pressure units and whatnot. Miles per gallon, average fuel, digital speedo, driving style analysis. This is quite interesting, this is your energy flow. I have this on my own Lexus that I've got that I drive personally, and you can see that that gives you a breakdown of how your car's performing and what is powering which component. You've also got your navigation options, and of course your driver attention level and your lane keep assist on there as well. Now, what you can do on there is you can also see you've got your eco hybrid mode. On this side you've got auto lights just here, you can see with your high beam, and you've got auto wipers on this side. Steering wheel is soft touch leather, white contrast stitching, concave base, piano gloss black all around. You can see you've got satin black and chrome on here. You've got voice control, audio source, you've got your different options for your volume and your stereo and your media, Bluetooth telephone, and on here your cruise control you can see on this side, along with your instrument cluster menu. Now moving across, satin grey, piano gloss black, eco hybrid, so you don't forget, and you can also see the piano gloss black and chrome all the way across. Now this is a touchscreen unit, so you click on the home menu, click on all menus, and you can see you've got your hybrid option. You can click on here, you can see all your fuel economy, your energy flow. You go back auxiliary, current position, radio, media, nav. On your radio you can see DAB, FM and AM radio. Scroll across, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, subject to device compatibility, and of course you've got your climate control which you can do visually as well. Now your navigation is a nice high contrast, high resolution display which really is so simple to use. Moving down, you've got your touchpad version if you don't want to get all fingerprints on the screen. You have of course got your dual zone aircon just here, you can see passenger 22, driver high. You can change front distribution, rear distribution on your windscreen. You can turn it off, change your air severity, climate control just here, aircon, recirculation. Of course you can choose where the air is distributed, temperature just here for the driver, and you can have driver only if needed, but we're going to turn it off. Moving down, you can see 2 12-volt chargers, auxiliary, USB and QI wireless charger. When you put device on that is recognised on the pad, the QI will light up and charge said device. You've also here got piano gloss black, you've got chrome, you can see you've got shift lock release, you've got park. Now easy to use, foot on the brake, press the lever in, pop it down into reverse, you'll hear the beeps, you'll get your reverse camera kick in, and that will change to R on your screen. Put it down into drive, you can see you're now in drive, you'll have D. Knock it across like that, And now you're in S, which is Sport, which will give you a little bit better performing Kia Niro. Now what you can do on here is in the winter months, if you want to take control of the gearbox, you can use it manually, so change down the gears using, of course, the downshift on the gear stick, and up to change up the gears. You've got audible parking sensors, heated steering wheel, dual heated seating in 3 different stages. You have here, of course, got a holder which will be great for your keys, or if you've got a phone that you want to stand up. You've got dual cup holders, leather armrest just here, and of course in there you can see a charger and further storage. But all in all, if you're after a fantastically economical, great looking, well spec'd, budget friendly, stylish and simple to drive hatchback, then this is the one for you. With only 45,599 miles on the clock, this Kia Niro EV hybrid is one that you certainly can't afford to miss. And even more so knowing that this car has of course been treated to the Emerald 128 point check prior to retailing. Now what that means is that our on-site RAC approved facility have of course given this car a thorough, meticulous cosmetic and mechanical inspection before I've made this video. It means it's been put through its paces, and you can see the results of the test on our online inspection sheet. And if you're looking at purchasing, there's plenty of different options. There is of course finance, there's part exchange, or you can look at using our click and deliver option. For any information on any of those processes, do of course please get in touch and we'll be more than happy to assist. But for me, Greg, thank you for your 11 minutes of watching the video. I hope you've enjoyed it, but more importantly, we really hope to hear from you soon.
One of the most important factors when buying a used vehicle is figuring out who to trust. Buying a car is a massive financial commitment, and you need to be 100% confident in the company that you choose. We have over 1,000 5-star reviews on Google, Facebook and Auto Trader, hundreds of video testimonials, and the jewel in the crown are the multitude of awards we've won over the past number of years, including UK Independent Dealer of the Year, Independent Community Dealer of the Year, and most recently, Used Car Retailer of the Year. Integrity and transparency are really important to us at Emerald in how we conduct our business. We're the only dealership with a multi-award winning weekly YouTube show which pulls back the curtain and lets you see the inner workings of how a car dealership operates. We cover all aspects of the day-to-day running, from buying, selling, sourcing, after sales, and of course everything that goes on over at our RAC approved workshop.
Every one of our cars undergoes a 128 point vehicle inspection by our team of experienced technicians. Any item that aren't up to our approved standards, we rectify and replace parts needed with manufactured approved parts. We also service every car and put a fresh MOT on ready for its next owner. When we are happy the car is in A1 mechanical condition, over it goes to our body shop for paint correction or wheel refurbishment, then finally onto our detailing team. Essentially, we want to ensure that when the car reaches its new owner, it's at its very best. For the road ahead, we've got you covered for a comprehensive 90-day warranty, which can be extended for 1, 2 or 3 years, depending on your preference. We are proud to be partnered with the market-leading warranty providers that match up to our own high standards, providing customers with genuine support when they need it.
We've also got you protected for all unfortunate circumstances, such as having your car written off or stolen throughout your time owning the vehicle. We're really pleased to be able to offer a great RAC, gap and return to invoice insurance product, keeping you safe long after you've left our showroom.
If you are local to us and want us to take away the headache of keeping your car well maintained, our service plans could be just the ticket for you. Payable monthly and carried out in our fully equipped RAC approved garage, every service comes complete with a free health check to keep you and your vehicle safe and secure on the journey ahead, and also protect the future value of your car by maintaining that all-important service history.
And when it comes to protecting your car's interior and exterior against stains, scuffs, contaminants, all of our encompassing Guardex paint and fabric protection ensure the aesthetic appearance of your new vehicle remained unaltered and improved to an almost better than new finish. It's a great opportunity to protect against the best and worst that Mother Nature has to offer.
And last but not least, if you do need to take out finance for your new vehicle, we have a panel of over 35 lenders, including Santander, with rates as low as 7.9% APR, always guaranteeing you the lowest possible interest rate. For a free finance check, which won't affect your credit rating, click the finance tab on our website to fill out a 2-minute application that lets you know beforehand what your monthly payments are likely to be. We've got loads of PCP, HP and lease options available, depending on your personal preference and budget. So if you want to speak to me or my team of finance experts for any help and advice, please don't hesitate to pick up the phone. We're here to help.
Our goal at Emerald is not just to sell cars, it's about creating lasting relationships and customers for life. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what some of our customers had to say about their very own Emerald experience.
And how would you rate us out of 10? 10 being probably the best car dealership in the UK.
Definitely 10. Oh, I'd definitely say 10.
I'm going to say 10. 10.
10, obviously.
10.
10, I suppose.
Definitely a 10.
I would give you a 10.
It's got to be a 10.
I'd give you a 10.
Well, it's obviously a 10, isn't it?
Obviously a 10.
Mate, more than 10.
Can I say 11?
Straight million. Straight million.
Way more than 10.
I would say 10.
Oh, I'd go as far as saying 11.
Definitely a 10.
10, yeah.
A 10.
I can say 10.
In the UK.
11.
Well, it's got to be a 10.
Definitely a 10. If I could give you more than a 10, I definitely would.
I'd definitely say a 10.
10. I'd give you a 10.
I'd give it a solid 10.
I would say 10.
10 out of 10.
I'll give you a 10 then. Sounds
Give us a 10.
10.
And I'll give you 10 out of 10.
Gotta be a 10.
I'd give you a 10.
I would rate you a 10. 10 out of 10, 100%. It's gotta be 10 out of 10, isn't it?
That's an easy one, isn't it? It's 11.
11 out of 10.
I'll give you 10. Because I came back, didn't I? And I'll be back again.